Hi, I'm James and this is the Milang Butter Factory. It's pretty special that the butter factory has an arch-shaped roof. The butter factory was built in 1893 by Andrew Buckland and Arthur Lipson. My dad works at the butter factory. My family is lucky because Dad gets to bring home fresh butter every day from work. The butter factory is close to the Milang Primary School, which is where I go to school. My house is close to the butter factory, so I can walk to school every day. My dad walks to work at the butter factory too. I wish I could help my dad in the butter factory, but he says the equipment is too big and dangerous for a 10-year-old boy to be around. Sometimes I see the horses and carts delivering the cans of milk to be used to make the butter. When they are making the butter, the leftover waste is pumped out the back of the factory to the land beside our school. Dad said when I'm 16, I maybe will get a job there too.